Up next is Sudden Crisis. Nice fan cake here. It's on the side. 30 shots. Duration's about 25 seconds. We got blue stars and white strobing mines with red glittering willow tiger tail. We got blue stars and white strobe with red glittering willow. Blue stars and green strobe with green glittering tiger tail. Blue stars and green strobe with gold glittering. Blue stars and red strobe mines with crackling willow tiger tail. And then a finale of blue stars and red strobe with crackling willow. This one's going to be fun. Sudden Crisis. Oh, ho, ho. Gorgeous.